Kuzobe-ke kunoZola 7, iTrompisi nengoma zikaMandoza ziyokuvunywa abantu abakhe-ke lapho. Kuzobe kumnandi-ke into le yenzeka ngosonto lwe. Kodwana-ke siphethe-ke nje ongomunye-ke wabakhwezeli-ke bomnyanya lokuthi-ke bazikhulumele bona, basimeme bona, okhunye kumnandi. Kunama-tickets ozowawina, kutho ukuthi nawulalela ihlelo elingalesi sikhathi urhalela ukuthi uye, usabe usethubeni-ke lokuthi-ke uye khona. Ajame njani amalungiselelo womnyanyakazi lo omkhulu ongosondo?
Ngikhuluma nje manje ngiphuma ku-rehearsal eSoweto Theatre.
Yo.
I-rehearsal yokugcina before the show, which is on Sunday.
Wow.
So we've been busy nje preparing.
Okay, yazi ngicala ingoma nanzi ezidumileko la. Ngoba ke sicala ukuthi-ke sicala indaba zokuthi ekuzwakala-ke ngendaba ye-orchestra ne, abonkalakatha, abomdlwembe, abosweetie malavo njalo njalo. Ukuthi ubuya ku-rehearsal uzweni, singalindelani lapha ku-rehearsal uzweni lapha?
Imagine the song that you've grown up with, right? Ukhule ngayo le ngoma lena and you've known it all this time, but then it now sounds like Koningelosi in the mix, and it takes you to a different level. Parking. Parking, safe parking for abantu abezayo to the show. And usually theater have e-rate for a parking, but then because Sunday is born, they have a flat rate. A flat rate at 20 rand.
Okay.
Just 20 rand. So you don't akunankinga ukuthi uzofika ngo-11 before the show starts ngo-4 uzitshela ukuthi mhlambe but the whole time, whether you ufika lapho ngo-9 noma ufika ngo-11 to see everyone else, because enye into futhi there's gonna be abantu konje bayibiza ngani abathengisayo.
Oh, okay.
Ama-stalls, including uZola will be selling merchandise yakhe. So even if you fika lapho ngo-11 just to walk around and see the ambience, or fika exactly ngo-3, but I would advise ukuthi ufike ngabo past 2.
Oh, past 2 ne?
Past 2. So that uzokwazi ukupaka imoto yakho. So
othandwako enarheni, iKwekwezi FM kukhanya